Good morning, children. Good afternoon, children.
Good
afternoon,
ma'am. Afternoon, ma'am.
How are you all, children?
Fine, thank you, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Children, we learned, all of you, I will mute because some children, the disturbance from some house, it will not be clear what I'm teaching. So listen carefully. When I call your name, you can unmute and say the answers. Okay, so children, we are learning decimals 2. Here, multiply and divide decimals. Multiply and divide decimals. So multiply with the 10, 100 and 1000. We were discussing how to move the decimal place when we are multiplying by 10. When we are multiplying by 10, how we can change the decimal point? Who can tell me? When we multiply decimal numbers by 10, which place or where we have to move the decimal point? Yes, children? Yes, Fia?
I'm to write it.
To the right side. Okay, very good. So children, when we are multiplying by 10 or 100 or 1000, what we will do? We will shift the decimal point to the right side. Understood? When we do division, what we have to do, children? Move to the, yes, Anandesh? We will move the decimal place to the, yes, Anandesh?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when we do division, we move the decimal point to the left side.
Left side. Okay, so children, you have to remember this. So for example, if we are dividing by 10 or multiply with the 10, 32.67, 32.67. 32.67. This is a decimal number and the multiplier is 10. So here, how many zeros? So children, those who were not there in the last class or the previous class, we are repeating this again. Please listen carefully and avoid all kinds of distractions. So children, you have to, whenever it's some distraction from your home also, you have to make separate room when we study maths, okay? Because if you are not paying attention, it will not be clear. So children, here we have only 1 0, 1 0. So you have to move the decimal point to the right side by 1 digit. So this decimal point, when we shift, it will be here. So the answer will be 326.7. Okay. So when we multiply a decimal number by 10, you have to move to the right side by 1 digit. When you divide, you have to move to the left side. Okay, so we were doing some questions also yesterday. Okay. 3289.56. When I multiplied with 100. What we have to do? Chinmay? Chinmay? Last 2 days, children, we were doing with this. Yes, Chinmay?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, again. I want to multiply 3289.56 multiplied with 100.
Ma'am, should I tell the answer?
What we have to do?
Move the point 2 steps in front.
Move the point to the?
2 steps in front.
Front means what? Left or right? Multiply with 100.
Towards the right.
Right. So this here 1, 2. So I will put this point, decimal point, 1, 2. That means here the answer will be 3, 2, 8,
8,
9,
9,
5,
5, 6.
6. Okay, so the answer is here. So like the same question, 3, 2, 8, 9.56 when I divide by 100. When I divide by 100. Yes, Ammu, can you say? Divide by 100. What can I do?
Ma'am, we should move the decimal point to the left.
Left side. By how many digits?
Two
How many
digits.
digits? 2 digits. Yes, very good. So here we have how many zeros here? 2 0. So here 1, 2. So here the point is 32.8956. So children, when you multiply by 100, we should move the decimal point to the right side by 2 digits. When you divide by 100, you should move the digits to the left side by 2 digits. Is that clear? Yes. So I will give you some questions. Children, please take out in your rough book. Faster. 6, 3, 8, 9. Adil, can you see the board? Look at the board because this is color. Can you identify the numbers?
I'm little bit.
Little bit. So I will take mute your audio. Distractions. 63.89 into 100. 4327.16 divided by 100. 43.216 multiplied by 1000. 43.216 divided by 1000. Same question here. All of you, please write the answers in your rough book. Okay, Rohit, can we start the answers? Children, when you finish, please check whether you got correct answer. Yes, Rohit.
63.89 into 100.
First question is, the decimal point is here. Here 2 zeros. Tell me the answer. Which place you have to move?
Two
Digits.
digits.
Okay. Which side? When you multiply, look here, multiply. Yes? Where I had to place this decimal point? Are you there? Are you there? Yes, Gautam.
Ma'am, 6,300.
Where, which place I have to move this decimal point?
Right side.
Right side. 1, 2. 2 digits. Here there are 2 zeros. So we have to move 2 digits to the right side. So the answer will be 6389. If you write 0.0, that also same. So you can write 6389. Children, check whether you got correct answer. I want all the children to turn on your camera. Okay. Now, Dia. Dia, can you say the answer? Question number 2. Remember. Yes, Dia, can you unmute? Brightlin.
Yes,
When you divide and here 2 zeros. So what will be the answer? You have to move this decimal point. Where? Which
to the
side?
left side.
Left side, how many digits? Here it is 2
Two
digits.
digits.
Okay,
2
2 digits.
digits.
1, 2. So what's the answer?
43.27.
43.2716. 43.2716. Alim Sian, are you there? Please turn on your camera. Okay, next one, John Sebi. Children, please check whether you got correct answers. Okay. John.
Ma'am, I am doing only.
You can see and tell me the answer. 43.216 multiplied by 1000. How many zeros?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait, John.
Ma'am, can I tell?
John has to tell me this answer. How many zeros, John? Yes? Yes, Fia. 43.216 multiplied by 1000. How many zeros are there? And it is multiplication. Yes.
Ma'am, it's 43216.
Tell me how many digits are there?
3.
3. So we have to move which place it is multiplication. Move to the right side. 1,
Right side.
2, 3. So what's the answer? 4.
43216.
216. Yes. Okay. Now next one, Richard. Same question, but we have to divide. Divide, and here 3 zeros. Yes. 43.216 is the question. We have to divide by 1000. So how many place you have to move to the, which side you have to move?
Right.
Is it divide or multiply?
Divide.
Divide. So which place which side?
Left.
Left side. Okay. Then how many zeros?
3.
3. So tell me where you have to move here. 1,
2,
2,
3.
If there is no other number, what we have to do?
Put a 0.
0. Yes. So we will place the decimal point over here. So
Yes.
1, 2, 3. 3 digits to the left side, and if there is no number, you have to place 1 0. So the answer is 0.043216. Yes, children, did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So here 63.89. Children, you remember, if it is multiply, right side you have to move. If it is divide, you have to move to the left side. And in 100 you have 2 0. So you have to move to the right side 2 digit 1 2. So 6389 is the first answer. Second one, the point is here, divide. So you have to move 2 digits to the left side. So here 43.2716. And when you multiply it by 1000, move to the right side by 3 digit 1 2 3. So the answer is 43216. Same question, you want to divide by 1000. So you have to move to the left side by 3 digits. So here this decimal point 1 2 3. So here there is no number. So you'll put a 0.043216. Yes, children, did you get correct answers? How many got correct answers? Can you raise your hand? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now, children, please take down the questions here. That is, multiply decimal numbers. Here, 7.12. 7.12 multiplied with 3.7. So children, don't do anything now. Please listen carefully. Okay, 7.12 multiplied by 3.7. So we were doing this question, but we were taking from home, so we were not able to do on the board. So children, what do you have to do? You have to just multiply. Don't consider the decimal point. Then here, look at the question here. Question number, here, how many decimal places are there, Manu? Question, multiplicand and multiplier. Here, how many decimal place?
Ma'am, 2.
2. Here we have 2 decimal place. And here how many?
1.
1. So total how many decimal place?
3.
3. So children, this you have to keep in your mind. Here we have 2 decimal place and here we have 1 decimal place. So total 3. So whenever you do children, 712 multiplied with 37. All the children do this calculation alone. You know multiplication of 2 digits.
Yes, ma'am.
So all of you do the multiplication alone. And in the answer, there should be 3 decimal place. So you have to see from the right side, 1, 2, 3 point, then put the decimal point. Multiply 712 times 37. Madhav, are you multiplying? Just normal multiplication. There is no change in multiplication. Just normal multiplication. Only the decimal point you have to make, see how many digits. This 3 decimal please.
Finish.
Isha, can you do multiplication with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Normal multiplication, children, there is no any other difference here. There is no difference here. Okay, 7, 2. So we will start with the ones place. Okay, 7 2s are?
14.
Yes? 14. 1 carry over. Okay, 1 into 7 plus 1?
8.
8. 7 into 7?
49.
Okay.
49.
So second row, how you will start? You will start with the multiply with the tens place. So you have to place what?
0.
0. 0 in the ones place. Okay. Then 3 2s are?
6.
6. 3 into 1?
3.
3. 7 3s are?
21.
21. Now what we have to do? Add. 4, 8 plus 6, 14, 1, 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. 1 carry over, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 2. Children, I think there was a network problem. Are you there, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so children, I was, okay. Please mute yourself. And I was asking Isha. Yes, Isha? So, in the product, how many decimal place should be there?
3.
3. Okay, your voice is so feeble. Okay, Tanya, can you tell me? How many decimal place? Look here. 2 decimal place in here. Multiplicand and multiplier also. 2 plus 1. 3 decimal. How many? How many decimal place in the product should be?
3.
3. Yes, here it is 3. So children, 1, 2, 3. After the decimal point, there should be how many digits? 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 26.344. See here 2 and here 1. 2 plus 1, 3 decimal place should be in the answer. So after the decimal point, we have how many numbers should be there? How many digits should be there?
3 digits.
That is 3 digits. Okay. 1, 2, 2, 3.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is on based on the before question on 1000 into and divide 1000 because that time you were unmuted also. I cannot ask that doubt. I send you a message in chat box. Ma'am, that
Can you just say that now?
yes, ma'am. I have a doubt in that 43.216 into 1000. Ma'am, when you wrote it as just 43216, no? But you last time you told has the 1000 has 3 zeros, we should take 3 digits to the decimal part, no? Ma'am?
Three digits, yes. Then?
Yes, so you told if there is no if there is only 2 digits, for that 1 digit we should add 0 to the left
Left side when you are dividing. Yes, 42 point. Only 4 and 2. Only 2 digits are there. So when you divide by 1000, you should move 3 decimal. So 2, 4, then nothing is there. So what you have to do? You have to place 1 0 there.
Okay, ma'am. Not in
4,
multiplication.
then 0. So 0.042 like that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. So not in the multiplication and like that not is there?
We can add 0.
Ma'am, I have
Okay,
a doubt.
ma'am.
Okay, so children, please check whether you got
Ma'am,
this
I have a
answer.
doubt.
Wait.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my phone's battery is low, so can I get in?
In the question you give for 3.216 divided by 1000. You said the answer it is 0.043216. After the point, can we write zeros?
Yes, you can write here 0.0. There is no problem. Okay, there is no
Okay,
change in
ma'am.
this. Okay. So
Okay,
children,
ma'am.
look here. Here we have only 1, 2, 3. There is no, then we put here. When we put 0.04, that's also correct. Okay. There is no change.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so children, now going to start with division. So children, one more question in the multiplication with 1 only in like 147 children. Sorry. Okay, children, write down. Don't know what happened with the EB board. Children, can you see the board?
Yes.
Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, 276.32 multiplied by 6. See, children, here only here 2 digits. So how many digits will be there after the decimal point in the product? 2. Here there is only a whole number. So what do you have to do? 27632. Mute your audio. Mute your audio. From there the sound.
Angelina.
Okay. So children, that's why sometimes I mute everyone because it will disturb others. So children, all of you, please try to mute yourself. So here how to do multiplication? Write the number without decimal. Do normal multiplication. And look in the question. Here we have only 2 decimal. Here there is no decimal point. 0 decimal. So only 2 decimals will be in the answer. Finished. Okay. All of you try to do alone. Alim Sian, can we do multiplication? 6 2s are. Tell me. Fast, Alim. Alim Sian, are you there? Yes, Chinmay, can you do that question with me? Are you there, Chinmay?
Ma'am, over.
Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am.
We will do together.
Can I?
Excuse me, ma'am.
I
finished the
answer.
ma'am,
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, you told that you get two numbers from the decimal part. Ma'am, how? When there are, ma'am,
I didn't understand the question.
my last number you got three numbers from the decimal part, right?
Which question?
This question itself.
Ma'am, before this question you got,
This one.
ma'am,
Yeah.
not this one.
Which question?
Ma'am, he asking this question. Ma'am told 3 decimals will be in their answer. He solved the problem.
This
Ma'am,
one?
yes, ma'am. This question.
Yes, Ayman. Tell
Ma'am,
me your
here,
doubt. Yes,
ma'am,
yes.
you told that here 2 plus 1, 3, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, in the decimal part, you add that numbers and you got 3. So, ma'am, after this question, you took one, right?
This one.
Ma'am, the question that you took, now, ma'am, how you got 2?
Here in the question only 2 digit, boy. Here in this question only 2 digit. So in the answer also how many should be there? 2. Yes?
Ma'am, ma'am, sometimes what you're writing, I can't see it in my mobile, that's why.
Mobile. So what can I do? Can you tell me any solution? Yes? I am explaining. So listen carefully. If you cannot see the board, I am explaining. Listen carefully. Okay. So here,
Okay, ma'am.
Ayman, I will show it again. In this question, here why we have 3 digits, because in the multiplier and multiplicand we have decimals. Here 2 decimal place in the question and here 1 decimal in the question. So in the total we have 2 plus 1, 3. So in the answer also we should have how many? 3. But in our next question, in the question we have only 2 decimal. Here there is no decimal. So what we have to do? You have to do normal multiplication. 27632 multiplied by 6. And in the final answer, how many decimals should be there? Only 2. Because in the question we have only 2.
Okay, ma'am.
So can you do multiplication with me, Ayman? 6 2s are
12.
6 2s are 12.
12.
12. And
1 carryover.
Let me change the color here. Okay, 6 2s are
12.
12. Okay, 12. Then which is the carryover? 1.
And 1.
6 3s are?
And 6 3s are 18.
18
plus 1, 9. 19.
19. 1 carryover.
1 carryover.
6 6.
And 36 plus 1, 37.
7. 3. Yes.
1 into 6, 6. 6 plus 3, 9.
9. Okay.
Ma'am, that's 7. 2 7.
It is 7. It was 7. Okay.
Ma'am,
So
then
here
it was
6 2s are 12. 1 carryover. 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 19. 1 carryover. 6 into 6, 36 plus 1, 37. 3. Okay. 7 into 6, 42 plus 3.
45.
42 plus 3?
45.
45. And it is 4. 6 2s are
6 2s are 12.
12 plus 4?
16.
16. So the answer is, children, without a decimal point is 165,792. Now look at the question. Now you have to place the decimal point. Now you have to place the decimal point. Here how many? 2. So in the answer also, we should have 2 decimal place. So after when we put here, we will see 1, 2. So the answer is 165,792.
Ma'am, right answer.
Okay, children, did you get the answer?
I got the same answer. And I got the same answer.
Okay, children, did you get the answer? There was a speaker was not working. Okay, did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
So children, in multiplication, listen carefully. In multiplication, do the multiplication as normal numbers. Normal numbers. Then what we have to do, you have to look at the question. How many decimal point? If the two numbers have decimal points, you have to add the number of digits in the both of the number, then place the decimal point. In the answer, there should be how many digits are there after the decimal point? That much same number of decimal places should be there in the product. Okay. Okay, children. Now going to start with the division. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, today we are not doing workbook exercises.
We will do after this division. Okay. So children, division of a decimal number by 10, 100, 1000. Yesterday we did already this. Here we have decimal point. After we have only here one decimal, we will move to the left side one digit. So the answer is 75.23. We have done this already. And here we have two decimal. So you have to move to the, how many digits? 1, 2. Here it is 3 digits. So we will 1, 2, 3 decimal. 0.7523. This we discussed already. And here again, that also we discussed yesterday. One digit, 1, 0. We have to move to the left side. So we have to place the decimal point over here. One digit. Yes, children, can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Can you see the board?
can see the board.
Yes. Okay.
Yes,
here
ma'am,
we
we
have
can see the board.
two decimal place. So here 1, 2, 25.10. Here we have 3 decimal. After the decimal point, we had to divide by 1000. We have how many? 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3. 2.51 is the answer. If you put 0 also, no problem. You know these are when we add zeros to the right side after the decimal point, there is no change because they are equivalent decimals. We learned already. So even if you write 0, 0, no problem. Okay. Now the next one we are going to study division of numbers. So children, listen carefully. Listen carefully. Don't do any other work now. Don't write anything now. Look at the board, all of you. Look at the board. Here we have 68.5. So we will take the first number 6 divided by 5. So we'll get the answer as 1. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 5, 5. Normal division. There is no change. Then 6 minus 5, the answer is 1. Okay. So this is first step. After this, what we will do? We will bring down. That is we have done here. 18, bring down. So what? When we divide 18 by 5, you will get 3 into 5 is 8. 3 5s are 15. Then when you subtract, you will get 3. So children, this much we have done. Now look at the question. We have decimal point. Just place the decimal point above the line here. You have to line up the decimal point. That is very important. You have to line up the decimal point. This is very important. What we have to do? Normal division, as we are doing like normal division without any decimal. Same. But if there is any decimal point, you have to line up the decimal point in the answer, in the quotient. It is just above. Okay, listen carefully. Look at the board carefully. So here, after 68, we have decimal. That also you have to hear. 13 point. Understood? 13 point. Now what we have to do? When you subtract 8 minus 5, we have 3. Then bring down 35. Then write 7 into 5 is 35. So here, this division, children, what we have to do? First, we have to look at the numbers. Compare. 6 is greater than 5. So you can divide. 1 into 5 is 5. Okay. Then what you have to do? Devak, are you paying attention? Devak. 6 minus 5 is 1. Subtract. Then what is the next step? Bring down. You know division. I need not teach you it again, but because this is decimal numbers, you should know where to place the decimal numbers. That much only. Now bring down 8, 18. 3 into 5 is 15. Now subtract 3. So after this, you have to line up the decimal point just above, okay, the line in the answer, 13 point. Now this bring down 5, 35. So 7 into 5 is 35. So only in the decimal numbers, what we have to do, you have to line up the decimal point in the quotient. Okay, children, can you do one question now like this?
Yes, ma'am, we can do.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Anadesh.
Ma'am, if there is
Remainder. Okay, we will do like that questions also. Okay, we will do like that questions also. So children, 147.9 divided by 3. All of you has to do this alone. This point, you have to see that point, otherwise you will not place the point. 147.9. If we have remainder, I will teach you, don't worry. Now 1 is smaller than 3, you cannot divide, so what you will take? 14 together. Yes, Adinath, can we do together, Adinath? All the children, please try to do alone and check whether you are getting this answer. Yes, Adinath. 14 divided by 3.
Yes. Ma'am, 4 into 3.
4 3s are, very good. 4 3s are 12. Okay. 14 minus 4 minus 2?
2.
2. Bring down 7. 27 by 3.
3 into 9.
9 3s are 27.
27.
Okay. Next, what we have to do? We finished till here. Look here, we finished till here. Now, where is our decimal point? We have the decimal point. So, what we have to do? Put the decimal point in the quotient. Okay, line up. Children, line up is very important. You have to place the decimal point just above. Okay. Now, what we have to do?
Bring down
9. 9. Yes. This I just draw for you to understand. So, what you have to do? Bring down 9. Okay. Now, what can I have to write here? 9 divided by 3?
9 divided by 3. 3 into 3.
3 3s are 9.
9.
Okay. So, this much only. So, what is the answer? 49.3. Now, children, you can check whether your answer is correct. 49.3 multiplied by 3 and check whether you are getting...
9.3.
3 3s are 9. 9 into 3, 27. 2. 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 14. Now, in the answer, how many? Only 1. So, 147.9. We got our dividend. So, our dividend is correct.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Ask.
Ma'am, after the decimal point in the question, we have 1 digit. So, in the answer also, after the decimal point, we need 1 digit.
Not like that. No, there is no rule like that. Okay. If it is 9, we can divide by 3. It's 3. 3 times 3 is 9. That's why.
Okay, ma'am. If we get, when we divide that by the decimal part, we can write in the upper answer after the decimal.
I didn't understand your question.
Ma'am, when we have 3 numbers in the question in integral part. So when we put the dot in that after the 3 numbers, we can write these answers, these 3 numbers in that integral part, no? So how can we know that we can move this to our decimal part?
You have to see whether here you have divided till here. There is no rule. Here, listen to me, Angelina. Here, 157, 3 digits are there. But in the answer after 2 digits, we are not checking or counting the number of digits, okay? We are checking 147 divided by 3. So I'm checking, can I divide? 4 3s are 12. After this only my point. So when I do subtract, I got 2. Bring down 7, 27. 9 3s are 27. So my integral part is over. Then I can put the decimal point here because here the decimal point is there. I'm not counting the numbers. In the integral part, there is 3 numbers. But there is no need, we can have 3 digits in the answer.
Ma'am, now I understood.
Okay.
After dividing integral part, we should put the point in the question, right?
Yes. After, that's why I told you, just line up. When you see here decimal point, we should also line up here point. Then here we have 9. So I bring down 9 here. 3 3s are 9. So our division is over. If you have any doubt, please check by multiply 49.3 quotient into divisor. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 2 is carry over. 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14. Okay, children, one more question. Try to do it faster, then only we can do some questions from the workbook. 64.2 divide by 6. Don't say the answer louder. I will ask one by one. All of you try to do alone.
Ma'am, over.
Wait. All the children, please turn on your camera. Why children? Half of the children here. Anina, Alim, Pranav, Nandita, are you all people are there?
Can you share the screen?
Children, please turn on your camera. Why these all many children? Daniel, Srihari and all. Please turn on your camera. Anina. Half of the children, there is no camera. And sometimes some children is having network issue. So I cannot call many children. That's why. Yes, Daniel, we can do this together. Yes, Daniel, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We will do this question together. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
First of all, we will divide. I want all the children to turn on your camera. If you don't understand, maybe I want to check how I know if you are doing some other work. Okay, 6 divided by 6.
6 divided by 6 is equal to 1.
1. So 1 into 6 is 6. All the children, please check whether you got correct answer or if any doubt. Now 6 minus 6.
6 minus 6 is equal to 0.
Okay. So when I bring down 4, can I divide 4 by 6? 4 is less than the divisor 6. Can I?
No.
No. So children, if I cannot divide, I will place 1 0 in the quotient. Now look here. Here is the decimal point. I am going to line up this decimal point over here. Then what we have to do? Bring down.
Bring down the 0.
Is there any 0 there? There is a 0.
I'm sorry.
Only 2.
Bring down the 2.
Okay. Yes, Daniel, tell me now. 42 divided by 6. 6 times which number you will get 42?
8.
8 into 6 is 48.
Ma'am, 7.
Ma'am, 7, sorry.
7. Very good. 6 7s are 42. So our work is over.
Excuse me, ma'am.
0.7. Yes.
Ma'am, when we divide, if there is a reminder, what we'll do?
That I will teach. Don't worry about those things which are not taught.
Can you share
What
this?
is presently in your hand, try to understand that. Don't worry about the other things. Then after when you teach everything, this will not be in your mind. So I am teaching step by step. Okay. Now check all of you whether you got this answer and multiply with 10 into 7 multiplied with the 6. Check whether you got this 64.2 and tell me whether our division is correct or wrong.
Yes, ma'am. I got 107 into 6 is equal to 64.
107. It is 107. It is 10.7.
10.7.
6 into 7, 42. 4. 6, 0. 0 plus 4, 4. 6 into 1, 6. And look at here in the question 10 point. Only 1 point. So I have the answer also. 64.2. Yes, children. Yes. Did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we do one more fast?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course, yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Here 20.475. 475. 20.475 divided by 25. Here 20 in the integral part and divisor is greater. So what we have to do? Felix, can you tell me? 20. And here in the divisor it is 25. Can I divide?
No, ma'am.
No. So what we will do? 0 in the integral part. Because I cannot divide. So now just I will put the place decimal point over here. Now 0 times 25 is 0. And you subtract 20. Then bring down 4.
Abhimanyu is making it.
Who from the
Abhimanyu.
all children, please mute your audio. Okay, here 0 into 25. Yes.
0 into 25, 0.
0. So what we have to do now? Bring down. Okay. Now 25 into here. Which is the number you can take?
200.
25 times?
8.
8. Yes. 25 times 8 is 200. 25 times 8 is 200. When you subtract, you will get 4. Bring down 7. 47. How much time you can take? 1. Okay. 1 into 25 is 25.
25 minus
Now, minus 22 you will get. Can you divide?
22.
Can you divide?
No.
Smaller than 25. So what do you have to do? Bring down. 225 divided by 25.
209.
25 into 9 is
9
225.
divided by 9.
25.
Okay, so here the answer is 0.
0. Answer is
Children, here you
0.819.
have to 0.819. Okay, so children, why here 0 in the integral part? Why? Because here 20, that is smaller than 25. We cannot divide. So what you have to do? You have to place 0. Then you have to line up the decimal point there. Okay, then 8 into 25. Then as normal division you have to do. Children, I think we can do some question number 13A. 13A from the workbook. Yes.
Ma'am, in this question, the integral part is 20 and we wrote 0. So instead, when we divide, we use our next number together, like 204 divided by 20. Now we are usually using when the
If you
20.
cannot divide, you have to place 0 in the quotient. We cannot divide. You have to place 0.
Ma'am, but sometimes if that which number we are taking to divide by that divisor, that if that is small than divisor, we usually add next number also to that number.
But
no?
we will add 0 also there.
Okay, ma'am.
But we were learning without a decimal point, but here we have decimal point, so you have to put the 0 also, then you have to place the decimal point also. Okay, children, quickly take out page number 80. page number 80.
Excuse me, ma'am. I finished 13th.
Wait, those who have finished, be quiet. Let others do.
Excuse me,
13,
ma'am.
question number A.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
I will ask Anandesh, all others please mute. I cannot hear when everyone say together. Yes, Anandesh. Yes. Okay, Nandita, you have audio problem. Anandesh.
ma'am, you stopped my video. Now what you are doing?
Yeah.
Ma'am, when I do short questions, can I write with pencils?
Where?
Ma'am, when I do short questions in the workbook.
Later you can write with pencil. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can write with the pencil. Then you can write again. No problem, pencil.
Ma'am, not word problems. Other questions.
Okay.
I get wrong. So can I write with pencil?
Yes, you can use pencil. Then if you can check, and if any mistakes, you can make it correct. Okay, no problem. So here 21.333 divide by 3. Question number 13A. All of you try to do alone. Fia? Yes. 21 divided by 3. Yes. Yes, Fia? Okay, Fia.
Ma'am, can I Angelina?
Okay, ma'am.
No, Angelina, please mute your audio. Yes, sir. Fia?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 21 is there in the 3's table.
Yes. So?
And 7. 7.
Yes. 7 3s are 21. Then what we have to do? We will subtract.
Minus. Subtract 0. Then place the decimal point.
Yes, very good. That is very important, children. Place the decimal point just above
7.
Just above the decimal point in the question. That is in the dividend. You have to place in the quotient. Okay. Then bring down.
Bring down 3.
3. Okay. Then
in the
divide by
3. 1.
1. 1 into 3 is 3. Okay. Then
subtract 0 and bring down 3 one more.
3. 3 into 1, 3.
1. Very good.
Again, what we had to do?
Bring down 3.
1 into 3 is 3.
1.
Okay. So children, check whether you got this answer. Very easy. Yes? Normal division. Children, this is normal division. Only you have to place the decimal point in the here, then line up and put it here. Yes.
Very good.
Now you don't unmute me.
111.
Now you don't
7.111. Yes?
Now you don't unmute me.
111.
No, Ali. No, Ayman. Do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay.
7.0111.
No. No, here. Check.
Let me check.
Here. 7 3s are 21. When you bring down 3, you can divide. Then why you want to place 0? No. 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into 3 is 3. So if you have any doubt, please check 7111 multiplied by 3. Check whether you are getting the answer. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 1, 3. Again 3. 7 3s are 21. And in the question, we have 3 decimal. And in the answer also, we should have 3 decimals. So 21.333. Yes, we got the correct answer.
Ma'am, I put 0 for that 0, 0. That's why.
Okay. No need. 1 into 3 is 3. So when you subtract, you will get 3. Again, bring down. 1 into 3 is 3. Again. Now children, which is the next question? 14th question A. Try to do alone.
Ma'am,
14th
13th question B.
That we have done. We have done. Yes, children?
Ma'am, we have done.
We have done multiplication. We have done multiplication. And we are not done. We have not done only division problems. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I will send the notes. Okay, Ayman? I think you were absent 2 days.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you are absent 2 days, I will send the notes. 14th question A. 14th question A. 22.9.
Ma'am, can I Angelina tell ma'am?
22.94
Ma'am, I
divided by 2. Alok has to say this. Alok.
Ma'am, so you
Alok,
did
can we do together?
14th one B also? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Alok.
Yes, ma'am.
First one is
1.
2 divided by 2 is 1. Very good. 1 2s are 2. Then
ma'am, my brother has class. Ma'am, can I
you can leave. Okay. Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Alok.
Ma'am, 0. And
0.
1.
Then
2 divided by 2, 1. 2 divided by
then
2,
what we
1.
have to do? Bring down. Yes.
Bring down.
Bring down. 1 into 2 is 2.
Ma'am, then decimal point.
Then we have to
Decimal
do
point. Decimal
place
point.
the decimal point. Okay. Then
Then
bring down.
bring down 9.
9.
9.
Same normal division. Okay, children. Only thing you have to place the decimal point according to the decimal point in the question. Just place above this. Yes, 9. 9 divided by 2.
Ma'am, 4.
4 2s are 8. Then
1.
1. Bring down
14.
14. Yes.
Ma'am,
14 by 2.
7.
7. Very good. 7 2s are 14. Yes. Then subtract again. Then last one. Bring down 2. So what's the answer? 2 divided by, is it 4? We had to bring down, which is the number here?
4. 4. Ma'am, 4.
4. So?
Ma'am, 2.
2. Very good. 2 2s are 4. Then our answer finished. So what is the answer, children? 11.472. 11. Check whether you got this is correct. 11.472.
Yes, ma'am.
2 2s are 4. 7 2s are 14. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. 2 1 2.
And I got the correct answer.
Yes. Here we have 3 digits and here also we should have 3 digits. So our question, we got the dividend. So our division is correct. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. So what about question number 15th 1B? Can you do as homework?
Ma'am, I finished. Ma'am, I finished.
Question number 15th 1B. You can start now. Otherwise, some children will say, ma'am, I forgot. Ma'am, you didn't take 15th 1B1. Like that. You can start now.
Ma'am, I finished.
Finished. Okay. Finished. Very good. Very good. Yes, yes.
Ma'am,
So those finished. Please wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Let others complete.
Okay, ma'am.
So no need. Those children who not completed 15th question B, try to do now itself. After this class, I will be sending the notes of chapter 12. Okay, let me see how many are there all present. Anthony, Amanat, all are there for sure. Okay, so children, try to complete this question now itself. I will send the notes after the class. Then you can check whether your answer is correct or wrong. Okay, children? Okay.
Ma'am, till 15 you will send, right?
Yes. Till
Ma'am,
15.
Ma'am, till 15 you will send, right?
Yes, yes. From question number 1 to till 15, I will send now.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, children, please try to complete that and we will discuss and I will be sending the notes. You can check whether your answer is correct or wrong. Okay, bye, children. Tye. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you, ma'am.